How to download and install Amazon's shopping app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure you are logged in to your account. Also, you need to make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to SLR data as well. Now simply tap on the search bar and search for the application of Amazon shopping app, and as you search for it, you can see we have Amazon shopping app over here. So let's tap on it, and now you can just tap on install and it will start installing the application on your device. So make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and as you do that, it will be downloaded to your device over here. So while it's getting installed, you just have to wait for a little more seconds to get it installed, and then you'll be able to tap on open. And as you tap on open, it will land us to the home page over here for the application, and you can just use your email ID or any of your other login credentials to install and create an account over here on Amazon's shopping app. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.